Hello and welcome to my channel. I have how do I put it? My telephone has this great function. This functionality is somewhat it's something else. And if your telephone doesn't have this function, well, I think you should go buy uh Huawei 9X. Huawei 9X. You should go buy it. In this our present time, in this era of technology and this data breach of a thing, happening here and there, uh, if you don't have this, if your telephone doesn't have this function that I'm going to introduce to you today, then go buy Huawei 9X or any telephone at all that has this functionality, please. It is very, very, very important. Very, very, very important in the sense that if you are the type that do frequently keep your telephone carelessly, or maybe not even, let us not go into that careless part of it, but let's assume somebody requested for your phone to use and he gave it to the person, unlock the phone, and gave it to the person. So do you ever wonder what might happen if you have, let's say, sensitive information that you don't want anybody to see? Let's assume your gallery, your photos, your videos, your messages, WhatsApp messages, your emails, whatsoever that you think that are sensitive, that it is personal. When you give your telephone out and you don't have any, like, let's say you don't limit access to those sensitive information, then the tendency that that person that is making use of that phone will have access to those sensitive information is there. There is that great chance that your information could be tampered with. So here I'm going to show you what I have on this telephone that is worth having. Here is Huawei 9X. This functionality is called app lock. You can limit access to your gallery, to your WhatsApp, to your, name them, anything at all you could imagine. Even all the apps you have, you can limit access to them so that even when you give your phone out, the user will not have access to any of them without the password. And one good thing about this app lock is that you can choose a separate password for it. Because if you can make use of only your lock screen password, for your lock screen and for the app lock, it doesn't make sense. Because if somebody knows your pin, they can have access to other things as well. So there is this freedom to create custom password as well for the app lock. So let's go do just that. So here, what you have to do is to go for settings. Once you're here, go for security. Let's keep it here. So let's go for settings. Then let's go for security. Then you can see app lock here. Go for app lock. Once we're here, I already have a lock screen pin. Let me just go there. Here we go. So here you can see all the apps you have on your telephone. You can see all of them. all the apps. So now what you have to do, once you are here, go for settings up here, go for settings. Then here we have a password type, lock screen password. So let's click on here. Then let's put our lock screen password. So here we have two options. Either you lock the apps with the lock screen password, or you create a custom pin. So it is better you create a custom pin for the app lock. It is safer. So I don't recommend using your lock screen password for the app lock. So go create a custom one. So let's go create a custom pin. Tap. Then I can use 1 to 6 because it says set a 6-digit pin for app lock. So I can go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then says confirm. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now there is another question here. It says if you forget your password, you can reset it by answering your security question. So here you can make choice. You can see a number of them. What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? Who was your childhood idol? Who is your favorite roommate? So I will go for, let me go for the first one, father's name. Then answer. This that with capital letter. I don't know if it is case sensitive, but Ernest. Then finish. Finished. So let's now go back. Let's go back and let's go back. So you can see where you can limit access to. You can see the apps, but before we go there, let's go test something now. So let's move out of here. So let me go for my gallery now. Let me just lock my screen, and then it requires my password. I will put that. So here, let's go for gallery. Straight away, I had access to my gallery. There was no request to type in my password. So that is what happens when you give someone or somebody your phone to make use of. They can easily just go make use of any application they see. They can go for your photos, go for your videos, go for anything at all. But when you have this app lock in place, they dare not go for all those things. So let's now go limit access. So let's go to settings, and again to security, then to app lock. To app lock. Then remember, enter custom pin to access app lock. Remember our custom pin 1 to 6. So I will do just that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're in. Do you want to use fingerprint ID to quickly access app lock? If you want, you can go create. I will show you how to create that. But let's finish this one first. So let me cancel now. And again here, so let's go limit access to. If you don't want to scroll down, you can just go here and search for the application you want, or you can scroll down and look for it. So let me go for gallery. Gallery. So let me limit access to them by toggling it on. Toggle. So I have limited access to this. I can go for WhatsApp. By typing WhatsApp, I can go limit that. I can go for my Gmail. I can go limit that. I can go for my Yahoo. I can go limit that. Anything you can think of, go limit them. Then after that, let me go back. So now, let me just and open. So I need let me put in my password. So once we're here, so let's go for this gallery again. You remember previously, automatically we had access to it, but this time around, let's go and see. You can see it is requesting my PIN. So if the person you gave your phone to doesn't have, this PIN, this person can never have access to your galleries, to your gallery, to your pictures, to your videos and other things. So you can see the benefit of this app lock. It is very, very, very important. If you don't have it, please try. If your phone doesn't have it, please try to do something about this. Do something about it. It is very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very important. So for the fingerprint of a thing, you can do that for here is what to do for the fingerprint. So let me gain access to this one. Let me see. Remember our pin 1 to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We're in. So this time around, let me go for the fingerprint of a thing. So go for security. No, for settings. Go for settings first. Settings. Then here you will see biometrics and password. Go for biometrics and password. Here, go for fingerprint ID. Go for fingerprint management. Enter lock screen password first. Let me enter my lock screen password. So after my lock screen password, it took me to this place. You can see here, it says use fingerprint ID to unlock device, access save, access app lock. So if you want to make use of fingerprint to access app lock, what you have to do is to toggle it on. Then you have to verify your custom password that we use 1 to 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We are good to go. If you don't have a fingerprint set up, you should do it here. Just create a new, click on new fingerprint. Then you place your just maybe any of your fingers, put it at the back here, as you can see here, at the back here. So put it and get it registered. Just put it until keep on tapping, keep on tapping, keep on tapping, keep on tapping, keep on tapping. Enroll finger, keep on tapping, keep on tapping, keep on tapping. Age, keep on enrollment successful. So that means click OK. And I have 5 fingers already added. So when we go back now to, let's go back to, let me put my pin. So here, if we go back to gallery now, you can see we have 2 options now. Either I use my fingerprint, or I use my password, custom password. So I can use now this fingerprint, but at the back I'm in. So that is it for this video. It is very, very, very important. If you don't have this functionality, please try and do something about that. It is very, very important in this our new era of technology and criminal acts here and there. Just protect your information, protect your sensitive information. Your telephone is personal to you, and they should take good care of it and your personal information. So thank you for this. Thank you for listening. And if there is something else you want me to cover, or something that you would like me to cover, please do comment on the comment section. I am in a race to 1 million subscribers, and right now I am far behind. If you think that this video is of good help or is of help, please kindly click on this red subscribe button, subscribe to the channel to support me in this race, and again you will see a notification bell behind this subscription button. Click on that notification bell, click on the all, so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So thank you for your support in advance, and God bless.